Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and today we are only flipping these two, which are probably the two higher end Balisongs in my collection. However, there is a twist. Usually I like to flip something a little more neutral, even blade bias, if you would so incline. But today we are trying heavy handle bias, and this isn't like how, there is some subjective twists to light handle bias, like people can't decide what balances the Prisma. No, we are talking Tsunami, all weights in, or Tsunami Trainer, Clone Trainer, Arm Shark, all weights in, and also the Seraph heavy weights, although I don't have the standard blade. What I should really do is put the Prisma blade on there. Featuring the cat once again. Hey cat. If you can't tell, this video is filmed like just after the last one. But, oh my word. Oh no, fans feel horrible. Look at that. Oh gosh. Yeah, if you didn't know, I'm really not a fan of handle bias, which is why I kind of stayed away from things like the Volp, and why I love things like the Monarch and the Orca G10. Like, why I like Balisongs like that so much. I mean, dude, this is, sounds fantastic. But, no, it's all wrong. It's just all wrong. It's not to say that you can't flip on something like this, because it's definitely doable. It's just I really do not enjoy how this feels. I can still choke a fan on it, and that just goes to show you how well these knives are made. But, do I feel kind of restricted to moves that are a bit more rollover-y? Yeah, for sure. It definitely wants to kind of just stay in that whole momentum-carrying space. Like, definitely doing a behind the 8-ball into a really bad helix. Okay, so I guess the handle's a bit too slippery on this guy at the moment. That's what oil does. Because I literally just took this apart and put in the heavy... Oh my word, this is... How do people enjoy this kind of experience? Obviously, I understand this is a bit extreme, but some people really like handle bias. Like, some people like a lot of handle bias. And I mean, this is like to the point where even timing aerials for me is weird. Yeah, see what I mean? Like, the handles just move with so much momentum. Dude, this is crazy, man. Like, this is not right. Don't get me wrong, stuff like ladders. Okay, ladders are quite nice. As a change, the Bally does a bit more of the work for you. But like, dude, this is not right, man. Let's try the... Yeah, dude, let's try the Seraph. See how she flips. It sounds fantastic. Flips a little scary, to be honest. The handles are moving both faster and slower than I'm used to. Oh, and it does some strange pirouetting stuff. I guess this just means, maybe my flipping isn't as mediocre as I thought it was. It's actually worse. But like, for example, trying to do a helix is definitely doable. But like, dude, it's like a behind the 8-ball. Oh my word. Yeah, sorry. The titanium knives really do get slick when your hands are a bit moisturized. It's also quite humid. Oh my word. Yeah, so let's try do a slow helix, right? Just like a... Oh my word. Yeah, so the way I flip just doesn't work. It's not right, man. I don't like it. I really... Like, you can see, Sounds awesome. Sorry, Kurt. What are you whinging for? It sounds even better outside, to be honest. Just not in my room. But, like, sounds really good. It's crazy bouncy. Has that awesome titanium hollow sound. Like I said, yeah, ladders are super fun. But I'm definitely... It's... Opus Blade is kind of carrying me here a little bit. But, like... Oh, my word. Oh, wow. God. even doing rollover tricks. I mean, don't get me wrong, my helixes aren't fantastic, but dude, this is not right. Oh, the fact that the handles don't go like flying with every little adjustment. This is probably the reason why. Obviously, I don't think the Kraken trainer, the V3 one, was to any extent as extreme as this. But it did have a little hint of this that got a bit too much. Like, I'd say the Tsunami is like riding that edge between two handlebars for me, with all the weights out. And with all the weights in, like, now I see what people mean by handle drag. Like, it's just, this is just dreadful. And don't get me wrong, these still flip fantastically. Like, you know, better than this dude. If you watched my last video, if you haven't, go check it out. But like, no, this is not right, man. Like, people enjoy this. People want this. Okay, what I should really do is probably do 2 weights or 1 weight in the Tsunami, and then the light weights that come stock with this guy. But even then, I still think it flips so strange. I do agree it's a bit more competitive for the Serif, with the 1 weight. But like, I love how it feels. Like, there's like no hand. Oh, you know what? The handle drag on this isn't even terrible. It's like fractional. Okay, no, if you do this, it's a bit more. Oh wow. How's a Z choker? Still working on them. Oh, what? Okay, so maybe it does fan better. Maybe, you know, handle bias is what you want for choker fans. Oh my word. So yeah, some things are easy. Like, the momentum that it carries does make it, once you've initiated tricks, quite easily. But getting used to how this thing handles, like, yeah, she does go around your fingers really easily. I think if you were, you know, learning something like that. Oh god, this is, oh my goodness. Anyways, I think I'm going to switch these back to no weights and no weights. I mean, thank you guys for watching. You know, I hope you've enjoyed watching me struggle with this. I didn't think I would have to put myself through something like this. I think this is a bit better because the weights on this aren't too heavy. But also, it flips also worse. Like, I don't know. It's just, I don't even know, man. Anyways, yeah, thank you guys for watching so much. I'll catch you guys definitely in the next one. Hopefully with some better flipping Balisongs. Because, yeah, these ain't it, Chief. Like, why is it so grainy right now? Like, is it not enough light? Like, what? Oh, and now you decide to... Oh, no, even then. Anyways, yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.